runner. Alright guys, I am mad about that meet between I032 and that southbound loaded coal train, because that was a good meet. We got double greens there for 640 and I031. Still got the Freddy in between there. Do they not know that there's a Fred in between there? Stumble on that train. This is CSX L640 short. That train starts off in Florence, South Carolina, heads back south of Sumter, South Carolina, where it terminates. They just took down there.
CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 295.8. Track 1. No defects. No defects. Total axle 8-4. End of transmission.
Got no defects. South Florence was clear. South Florence, track 1 south.
We got another train down there, so this is gonna be kind of a meet. I'm gonna combine this video together. That is an I031 down there. But yeah. On that train's the CSX I031 Intermodal train, blasting. The train starts off from Baltimore, Maryland, heads south to Jacksonville, Florida, where it terminates.
CSX equipment defect detector. Milepost 295.8. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 164. End of transmission.